Hi y'all, meet Walter here. With everything that's going on today in the world, do you ever feel like you're not safe leaving your own home? Well, I hope you got your insurance policy, and in the link below is where you can get your very own insurance policy so you will feel safe about leaving your home. I got mine, I hope you get yours. Let me show you the insurance policy I'm talking about. It's a stun gun. I got 50 of them in the other day. I got purple, I got pink, and I got black. So whatever color you want, I got it for you. It's in the description below. Weyburn'S self-defense. Get your own insurance policy today. It will stop any thug from attacking you, and you will live. I don't have any stocks from Webull to sell you, but I do have this insurance policy. This is the only insurance policy you need to stay safe. I love you all. Oh, and by the way, any fashion savvy man knows you don't wear a fedora in a house.